In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a linked work item to a task in Jira. Linking work items is a simple but powerful way to show how different pieces of work relate to each other. Maybe you have a main task and a subtask, or two tasks that depend on each other being completed. Adding a linked work item helps your team see those relationships at a glance, which makes planning, tracking progress, and troubleshooting much easier. First, start by opening your Jira project and navigating to the board where your tasks are displayed. This could be a Kanban board, a Scrum board, or a simple project board, depending on how your Jira instance is set up. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct project so that you don't accidentally link items across unrelated work. Next, look through the board and select the specific task you want to work with. This is the task that will have another work item linked to it. Click on the task card to open its detailed view. You should now see all the task information, like the summary, description, assignee, and other fields. Having this detailed view open is important, because this is where the linking option will appear. Once the task is open, look for the option labeled Add Linked Work Item, or a similar link-related action in the task panel. This is usually located near the section where you see relationships like linked issues or issue links. Click on Add Linked Work Item. This will open a small dialog or panel where you can specify the item you want to link. In that dialog, you'll typically be able to choose the type of relationship, such as blocks, is blocked by, relates to, or other link types configured by your Jira administrator. Choosing the right relationship type is helpful for clarity, so pick the one that best describes how the two items are connected. Then start typing the key or name of the work item you want to link. Jira will usually suggest matching issues as you type. Select the correct one from the list, confirm your choice, and save or add the link. After that, you should see the linked work item appear in the task's details, clearly showing the new relationship. That's all you need to do to add a linked work item to a task in Jira.